How's the trip?
Good.
Good.
Excited.
How many hours?
5 hours.
5 hours, no? 5 hours, that one included. Travel time.
Hello. Pababa na kami. Pababa na kami. Pababa na kami.
Ay, si Kuya.
Ano? Doon tayo magantay?
So,
O, pasok tayo doon. Doon na lang tayo magantay. Hindi tayo makadaan. Makamakan tayo ng car.
So 5 hours.
5 hours.
4 hours. Muscat to.
Muscat to Shana.
And then,
Shana to Mazira, 1 hour. Ferry.
Terry. Yay! We're here. Touchdown. Masira.
Explore Mazira Island.
family go out because you make traffic here.
Wow! Finally, after how many years, ate? Ilang years ka na dito sa Muscat? 9. Ako, mag-11 na. Ngayon lang tayo nakapunta. 9 years ba, ate? Ikaw?
Oo, magna-9.
9 years pala.
Magna-9 ngayon. 26.
Camping inside the port. We're waiting for the car. Where is Kuya?